right, guys, you're on the home stretch. I'm assuming now, if you're watching this video, you have completed your outline and you are ready to turn it into your final essay. So, I'm going to show you how I would go about doing this. And I'm only using just this first example, but obviously, this is the teacher model. You would not have this on your outline. You would have your own examples 1, 2, and 3, and then your concluding sentence. But just pretending that this is one of my examples, this is what I would do. So now that I'm ready, I'm going to actually just get rid of everything that's not mine right on the outline document. You can just get rid of it. So I'm getting rid of this. This is not my writing right here. Bye-bye. You have to go. And I'm getting rid of this. Anything that you did not write, anything that was there before you copied and pasted, you get rid of. And now you can see it turning into an actual paper. And you would do this throughout the whole entire thing. But obviously I don't have these because I'm not going to show you the whole entire thing. But you do that until you get to the concluding sentence. And then you would have your, get rid of this because you didn't write this. You would have your concluding sentence. Therefore, John Lewis's piece was effective or not, da 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 da. So it'll look like one big colorful paragraph, and you can just leave it like this on your outline. You need to have open, you'll find under classwork, a space for the final exam essay final draft. So you are going to take all of this, and remember yours will be longer because you're going to have 3 of each. Control C, Control V onto this document. And now your job is to format everything. So obviously you want to make sure that you have your header up here. You have the dates. This is not the date that it's due, but I'm just putting the date that I am doing this video and whatever class period you're in, 2nd or 5th period. You can leave the labels or you can get rid of them. It's up to you, whatever you think looks the best. I'm not going to take any points either way. But I'm getting rid of them. I just think it looks more formal that way. You're going to add a title here. I'm not going to add one because I don't want to steal any of your ideas, but Mrs. Pittman's title. And now I'm going to format. You can write this as just one extended paragraph. So you only have to indent once. If that just doesn't feel right to you and you want to indent after each of these sections because they feel kind of long, then you can do that too. But this is really just one long in-depth analysis. But you want to make sure you indent. And then you want to make sure that your text is all Times New Roman or Arial. I'm just going to stick with Times New Roman because that's what the header is. No bigger than 12-point font. You don't want anything bolded on here, so I'm going to get rid of the bold. And you want all the colors now to be just one color. Lastly, spacing. I'm going to go to this little arrow with the 3 lines and click on double space so that my piece is spaced. I don't want this big gap between my title, so there we go. And then yours will look like this, but obviously it'll be longer. So now it looks like a real polished essay. The only thing you want to do now is make sure you have transition words. So like this is already there, therefore, but maybe up here I might want to add, for example, especially in between your examples. And then you want to make sure that you've read it again, read it out loud, check for spelling and grammar. Go to Tools, Spelling and Grammar Check. Document looks good because I've already checked it, but yours might have some errors you want to fix. Make sure all of your evidence is cited, and then look over that rubric and make sure that you have everything that you're supposed to have from the rubric. Once you're done with that, you are done with your final exam essay, which is half of your final exam. That's huge. Round of applause by myself to you. And now you can go ahead and submit to Google Classroom. Remember, this final version is due Friday midnight. Bye, guys. Miss you. I'll be back soon. I'll see you on Monday.